we're beginning to find our way back by ourselves. And that's what they want us to do, to think for ourselves and get back. I always tell people at a lecture, don't believe what I say. Don't believe what anybody else says. Think for yourself. Read and ask lots of questions. Then make up your own mind. If somebody tells you, I have the truth, the only truth, run the other way. Nobody has the truth. My truth is different than yours. But you find your own, ask questions, and then come to your own conclusions. That's what it's about, using your mind. But we have to find our way back. And sometimes it can take many, many lifetimes. We build karma. We have to come back and repay the karma time and time again. We get stuck, they said, in the muck and the mire, the mud. We get stuck in that,